Buenas tardes. ¿Qué desea usted beber? What would you like to drink? Yo deseo un vaso de limonada, por favor. I would like a glass of lemonade, please. Me trae un menú. Can you bring me a menu? ¿Qué desea pedir de plato principal? What would you like to order for your main dish? Plato principal would be like your first course main dish at a nice restaurant. In Spain, that's typically eaten midday, like the 2 o'clock meal. Quisiera pedir la pechuga de pollo al grill y me trae una sopa de vegetales para empezar, por favor. I would like to order the grilled chicken breast, and can you bring me vegetable soup to start, please? You'll see on the menu here to the right that the entremeses are typically things that you can share like amongst the table, kind of like tapas or appetizers. A lot of different vocab that we could use. For example, quisiera pedir, I would like to order. Me trae, can you bring me? And the Quizlet links to help you. Just a quick review of some of the items on the table from last week. Remember that if you were to order soup and maybe they don't have a spoon at the table, you could ask, me trae la cuchara, por favor? Can you bring me a spoon, please? The knife was el cuchillo. I always keep those two separate because the two L's kind of look like the blade of a knife. El tenedor for fork. This is el plato. And then anything you want to make smaller, you can add an io or ito to the end. So this is a platito or platillo. La servilleta para limpiar la boca, la cara. La taza para beber café o té. El vaso para el agua y el jugo, el vino. Vocabulary. If you are missing a spoon, you could say, perdón, señor, me falta una cuchara para comer la sopa. I am missing a spoon or lacking a spoon in order to eat my soup. Lo siento, señor, le trae una cuchara. Yo deseo was your. ¿Le gusta la sopa? Sí, está riquísima. It is delicious. The está is used here instead of es because he's talking about at this moment. Right now, it is delicious. If he was saying, generally speaking, the soup is delicious, we would use es, riquísimo. ¿Desean ustedes algo más? Would any of you like something more? Para mí, un postre chocolate. For me, a chocolate dessert. The beverages. Besides, do you? Aquí está, señor. Here it is, sir. ¿Algo más? ¿Me trae la cuenta, por favor? Claro, gracias por venir a nuestro restaurante. Of course, thank you for coming to our restaurant. Throughout each of these slides, you see numerous ways to order. There's a number of different ways to order food. You can mix and match any of those expressions to write your own dialogue. Real quick before you do that, just a reminder that ser conjugates to soy, eres, es, somos, and son. And that is used if you're going to describe the traits of the waiter or the customer, permanent traits of foods, again, to say something is generally delicious. Estar, estoy, estás, está, estamos, and están. And está, or estar is used when we are describing how food is at this moment, like how it tastes. Está delicioso. As well as location and feelings. And the previous. Some of you made some mistakes last week with ser and estar in your quiz in your work. You can go back and make revisions on that. I did post this work here to give you another opportunity to go through it. If you want to take a minute and try it on your own and then check your work with mine. For number 1, it says usted and it's como está, usted hoy, how are you feeling, and hoy means today. Estoy bien, I am well, in response to that question. De donde, because of the de, it's asking where are you from, or it's asking for your origin. Again, it's in the usted form, so it's going to be es. Mi familia y yo somos del campo. We are from the countryside. My family and I is nosotros. And again, the de tells you its origin. ¿Y cuál es su trabajo aquí? What is your job here? Professions are another use of ser, occupation. Yo soy directora, that is the profession. La capital es un restaurante. It is a restaurant. That's just a description of it. And donde está, because we're asking for the location of the restaurant. Again, de donde goes with ser for origin. Donde goes with a star for location. Los platos en su restaurante son muy típicos. Again, character trait, typical. La comida en nuestro restaurante es deliciosa. The food in our restaurant is delicious all the time. Y los postres son muy populares. Again, description of dessert. And número 12, siempre estoy muy contenta. Contenta is a feeling happy. Okay, so now that you see that, you should go back and again revise any of your ser and star work from the previous week. In addition to today's assignment, which is to write your dialogue, the dialogue can be based on